everyone, this is Ritu and welcome back to my channel Ritu's Unfiltered. So this is my first video on this channel and today I am going to show you my room. Basically this is a room tour video of an Indian teenager, and come on, I do not have a very aesthetic setup like others have. Like this is going very trendy to have a Pinterestly room setup, but I don't have that. But whatever I have, I'm going to show you today. So let's get started. So this is the door which will come. So here I have placed my school dress and some few other dresses which I have wore recently, but I will wash them later. That's why I have put them here. And then if we move this side, then first we have this periodic table which I bought from Meesho for around 100 rupees, but you can get for 50 rupees in local market. And then I have a small book haul over here. एंड दीज आर माई फेवरेट वंस. ऑल्दो मेरे पास अभी बहुत सारी बुक्स हैं एक्स्ट्रा, बट वो अभी यहाँ पर मैंने रखी नहीं है क्योंकि मेरी बहन पढ़ रही थी तो वो ले गई अपने रूम में. सो यहाँ पर ये पोस्टर्स वगैरह हैं. बाकी बीनीथ दिस आई हैव दिस ड्रॉर एज वेल. यहाँ पर ऐसी कुछ सामान पड़ा रहता है, यहाँ पर भी कुछ फालतू सामान पड़ा रहता है. और इसके अंदर लाइक इफ आई शो यू, आई नो वैसे तो बहुत ज़्यादा मेसी हो रखा है. सबसे पहले ऐसी कुछ क्लोथ्स पड़े हुए. यहाँ पर मेरा मिंत्रा का पार्सल भी पड़ा हुआ है. इफ़ यू गाइज वॉन्ट अ मिंत्रा हॉल देन डू लेट मी नो. मैं पूरा रिव्यू बना दूंगी जितनी मैंने चीज़ें मंगाई हैं. एंड देन उसके बाद यहाँ पर कुछ फोल्डर्स हैं. एंड देन फिर नीचे बहुत सारी बुक्स हैं. पहले ये सारी बुक्स मैंने ऊपर रखी थी बट बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर पड़ रहा था तो ये पूरा नीचे आ चुका था, पूरा टूटने वाला था, इसलिए मैंने सारी बुक्स नीचे रख दी हैं. एंड लाइक इसमें ऐसी थोड़ा बहुत और सामान है. बट इफ़ यू वॉन्ट अ डिटेल व्लॉग कि इसके अंदर क्या क्या है देन आई विल शेयर दैट इन वन ऑफ माई शॉर्ट्स. डू लेट मी नो. I have this ceramic vase. Here are some artificial flowers, and then if we come to this side then I do have few trophies over here. So this is LIC trophy which I got when I was in class 3rd for being the student of the year 2019 award. And I also have this Oswald book right here because I was studying, and my school bag at here. For this I have a door to way to my balcony which I won't be opening because I don't want to show my balcony right now. And then if we move to this side then first we have this poster, good vibes only, and I also bought this from Meesho for 95 rupees I guess. And then I have this artificial branch. I've already shown this in my previous videos. And then I do have these curtains, and then over here I have placed 4 curtains, 2 over here and 2 over here, and few branches, artificial branches at the corner. And then there is a charging port. And then this is my bed. It's a double bed, but usually I sleep alone in my room. And then coming to this corner, then here I have my study table. So there are some artificial pots, and then calendar, pen holder, and this craft which I created. Already I have uploaded the shot of this, you can check it out. And then my notes, and then my phone. And like this is another drawer. If you want to have a look then do let me know. So like basically all my stuff is scattered over here, a few diaries and like a lot of things. And then in this I have my school books, academic books as well. And then if we come to this side then there is a book set from PW which I got in PR. And then if we come to this side, like this is an almirah. It is of my mother, so like it's basically full of her clothes. I don't use it. But in this side I do have some other PR books which I got, and my raincoat over here, and some useless stuff in this. And then I have a carom board over here, a ludo, and a thermocol sheet. And then if we come to this side then I don't know what my sister has done over here. Like I placed these artificial flower pots over here. I don't know why she has removed this, but I will place that, and I will also remove this branch. It's not looking good over here. Then I have this a storage cabinet at the top as well. It has just all of the books which I got in PR. Like I have almost around 50 to 60 books, and I keep them all over here because I do not have enough space in my drawer or on the floor. That's why I keep them here. And my old school bag is also here. And in this, if I talk about this carton also, I have some books, like some notebooks which I got from PW as PR promotion. So yes, this was my pretty much room, and I know it's not that aesthetic, but anyways, I love my room. I love to stay in my room, and this is how it is.